Hi Sean, this is Miss Frederick. Make sure you're emailing me when you have questions about your geometry class, please. I wanted to take you through the quiz that you got and kind of emphasize that you need to be taking really good notes to get these questions right. The first one you did get correct. Two parallel lines are always coplanar. How many different rays are shown? You did not right. There were 8. It is possible to measure the length of a line segment. That was correct. Which is formed by the intersection of two planes. That is a line. Now, where you seem to have issues with are rays. That's when you see an arrow here, like this, on top of two letters. So what this is describing is ray CD, meaning it starts here and goes in this direction towards the D value, or the D variable, sorry. So when it says what's another name for it, well, it's still starting at C, so the answer has to start with C, and it's still going in this direction. So the only other name that you could give it would be CE, since E is in the same direction that the original one was going. So that's how you would do another name for that one. The next question is the same thing. What's another name for ray CA? Ray CA starts at C and moves in the A direction. So another name for this ray would be starting at C and then going towards B. So that's why it's down here. Starting at C, going towards B. The next question, two planes that do not intersect are always parallel. If they don't intersect, that is the definition of parallel. So they are always parallel. Okay, so this question is a little bit different, but still dealing with rays. We have ray DE, so starts at D and then moves towards E. The ray opposite it would have the same starting point and moving in the opposite direction. So it would start at D and then either go to C, B, or A. Any of those letters would work. The only option down here is the A. So it starts at D and goes towards A. But an opposite ray starts on the same point that your original ray did, or does. Alright, next question. Two lines that lie in a parallel plane are sometimes parallel. That is correct. They can also be intersecting. Two opposite rays form a line. That is the definition of two opposite rays. If you have a ray that starts here and moves in this direction, the opposite ray has the same starting point and moves in the opposite direction. Therefore, you will always form a line. Please let me know if you still have questions, and make sure you are taking detailed notes, please. There is a lot of vocabulary in geometry, and you'll want those definitions.